Right now I'm at WEZiHO cement factory. So, very good morning. Today I am at WEZiHO and I'm going to explore some important places at WEZiHO. First of all, we are going towards WEZiHO cement factory, which is very famous. The only mini cement factory in Nagaland. Oh, nice, yeah. Wow, that is the church. We are supposed to come here, but we visit some place. Let's go. The time is 6:40 a.m. The date is 16 March 2022 and the day is Wednesday. So wow, look at the what is this?
Jungle murki.
Acha.
Hala kuri laga do.
Okay.
Aro itu jungle forest lal kuri ni biral laga.
Okay.
Aro itu rati da hala kuri huturu kuri thakir na.
I don't know. Okay. All. Oh, this is all. Yeah, wow, quite big, yeah. Uncle.
Oh.
Hello, uncle. What is your name?
Kikwengla.
Kikungla. So he is uncle. So thank you, yeah, for like allowing us to see your place also. So this is your house, no?
Oh.
Okay. So she will not come in the camera, or she will come. So ma'am is also busy. Hello, auntie. How are you?
Okay.
Cooking. Ah, it's already. Keep a case. Okay. Yeah. So lovely, yeah. People are so good, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is Uncle house. Uncle, this is you have made. Apni banai she? Wow, so beautiful, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. And this is Uncle. Can I take one photo? Here's Uncle and sir, your name?
Hi, my name Truth.
Truth.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you. So this is where you are staying.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is your profession over here? Are you working over here?
Yeah. I'm a teacher.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Oh, government.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. There is one more teacher. Yesterday I met one head teacher. Now I'm meeting another teacher. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So shall we take one photo together?
Okay. Thank you.
Now I'm going towards the cement factory, which is over there. So this is at WEZiHO. Nice place. The cement factory, right? It's over there. The gate is there. Anyhow, there are two brothers. Hello, nice to meet you. Naam tu?
Tilpuchu.
Okay. So they are working here. Okay. This is the monolith and the village name nearby. So mentioned over here. Okay. The board is over here. Okay. And the WEZiHO cement factory is over there. Nice place, yeah. I came from that road. Brothers are over here. So this is the weight measurement for heavy vehicle after carrying the prepared marbles. And this is the jungle, beautiful. I'm coming from the gate over here. Nice place. DDSP, way to DDSP. Okay. Oh, cement factory. Okay, fine. So right now I'm at WEZiHO cement factory, which is no more in functional, but they are doing other works from here. Cement production is not there, but other works are going on over here. Let's go and have a look. So this is the cement factory at WEZiHO. Wow, amazing, yeah. I haven't expected that it will be like this. So good. Wow. So these are some of the inauguration stone. Okay. It was established since the year 1982, 5th October 1982. And this by our Chief Minister of 2018. Okay. So one more uncle is here. Hello. Your name? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. These are all the raw materials. Okay. For cement production. White soil, no? Red soil, and the coal is over there. Okay. 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 So that black part is coal, red soil, and white soil. This is limestone. Limestone. Okay. Okay, it will get down over here. Okay, load. Uh-huh. 2 trucks of load it go here. Is it? Wow, quite huge, yeah. Okay, and then get broken down, crushed. The huge stone will get crushed. It will get up in this belt. Okay, okay, okay. So from here it will get into dust, and bucket will carry it up. Limestone container number 1. White clay soil. Okay. That is red soil. That is coal. Okay. Okay. And they will get mixed. Okay. Okay. From the bell, it will come down here. From now, it's already into dust, right? Okay. 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 All right. Okay, so from here it will form into dust and it will go down here. And here is the bucket. Down here is a bucket which will carry it up. And it will get down into the container. Container number 1, it will get down over here. The belt will carry it there and it will start rotating over here. Right? And then all this, from each container, all their materials are falling down. And all of them are getting mixed up now. Okay, so the bell is continuing to rotate, and from each container the mixer are falling down. So this last container is coal. Okay. Huh? Okay, so after complete mix from all the 4 containers, it will get down over there. Okay. Yeah, from all the four containers, after mixing up, it will fall down over here. Okay. Okay, the bell will carry it forward. Okay. All right. Oh. And here, what is falling down? Something is getting down from here. Nothing, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, just controlling the. All right. So. Again, it will get down over here. Okay. Will carry it after mixing it up. It will fall down over here, and from here the dust particle again it will go up. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, if there is any dirt, no? Okay. Yeah. There will be burner, fire. Oh. Oh. Coal, no? Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, okay. And the heat is going there. So they are the coals. They will burn the coal. The heat will produce. And then since the mixture is falling down over here, and they will get mixed inside this rotating machine. And it will get down into small particles. So this is iron. Iron. It will be inside this chamber. He's going to show the chamber parts, yeah? Okay. That is first chamber. Oh. This is second chamber. Okay.
Third chamber.
There are 3 chambers.
Three chambers.
Okay. So this is chamber number 2. And that round, no? That is stones. Okay. Okay. So these stones will help in crushing the materials into small parts. Wow. Huge, yeah. Very interesting. The mixture is falling down from here. The heat is coming. It is getting rotating from the chamber, and it will go over there. Killing again.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so the cement raw materials will fall down from here. Okay. 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 Uh-huh. Okay, from this. Okay, it will enter over here. Okay, fine. Oh, I see. I see. I mean, after it falling down. Okay, how it will go? Okay, there is bucket inside there. Okay. Haha, bati. Haha. Okay, and it will go up over here, and then it will go down into the mixer. Okay. So this is clinker, the raw material which is mixed with required minerals, everything which is required to form a cement. And then after that, it will come down from here, the clinker. It will roll from here. It will go down, and then the bucket will take up, and it will go inside this big machine which will rotate and make into the dust, right? And then the actual cement production will start from here. And then from there, the dust will exhaust. It will go into the packing room, and then it will go for supply. Okay, or storehouse. Cement packing machine. Oh. So this is cement packing machine. Wow. Okay. Okay, so the vehicle will be there. After package, it will go, and it will go for supply. Okay. Or for storehouse. Okay, fine. Okay. Wow. Nice, yeah. Operation machine. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. One by one.
1, 2, 3. Soft machine.
Okay.
Itu lari lasuk pandu itu.
Okay. So he is my main guide. Say hello. I am climbing in one particular footpath right now, and the production is over there. Let's climb up. For the first time, I'm climbing a factory.
For the first time I did.
Okay. So from there, I'm coming up right now. Okay, let's go over here. Ooh, I've not even imagined that I'll be visiting like this. You're right. We have to go out here. Okay. Okay. Now we are going on the top view. It's alright. Oh. I used to study about this Waziho when I was in school time, and today I'm visiting.
Nice.
Thank you. So this is the cement factory, and still there is some top view. Let's go over there. Okay, so this is the top view, no?
Yeah. Final top.
Final top view. This cement production, that machinery side is not functional at present. Anyhow, there is one more factory which is down. I will visit there, but have a look here from the top view. Amazing. The sun is rising from that side. Zipu will be that side, and this is cement factory colony. Cement factory colony, and I came from that side. Okay, the stuffs are coming. So this is the cement cell.
Cement cello 1.
Cello one.
Cello 2.
Okay.
Cement cello 1, cement cello 2.
Okay, fine.
Old
1,
one,
2.
new one.
Oh, that is all,
Yeah.
and this is new. Oh, fine. I don't have much technical background about this functioning, but anyhow, let our viewers understand that there is a factory like this. Okay, so this is the view.
And the raw material stone we collect from there.
So the raw materials comes from there. That's white side or behind that? White side. Okay, from there the raw materials will come. Quarry. Okay. And above there, 7 kilometers from here. But it looks so near, yeah? Okay.
Road was winding up.
Okay. Alright. Wow. Now let us go down. Look of machines here. Crazy. Wow. Huge here. This side is burner. Oh, oh, this is like a kiln.
It will come down. And
The raw
will
material.
burn from here.
Okay, to burn from here. Oh, I see. Wow. Oh, is it? Oh, is it? It will be too hot, no? Right, right, right. So from that above machine, after the rotation, after the mixing with the raw material, it will flow down over here, and it will start burning, no? Heating up, heat, no? Burn. Oh, not only heat, fire will also be there. Oh, amazing, yeah. Let us have the whole view of this burner. Okay, the controller will be here now, and he will manage this machine. So each machine has its own controller, even above also. Okay. Okay. Quite huge, yeah. So big, yeah. So huge. I wish it is in functioning and like what do you call the production is there, yeah. I regret there is no production. Installing new machine for bricks formation. So let us hope for new production, and I'm very proud to hear that. Very happy to know that. The factory is quite huge, yeah. NSMD Limited. I've seen this truck. Wow. Let's go away. These are the tractors, yeah. So now have a look of this site. I went up over there. That was the top view from where I had the view. And the machines are functioning inside there. Very, very huge. It's all right. So the Waziho cement factory tour is complete right now. I'm very, very happy that cement factory is now getting turned into a bricks production factory. So let us hope for that bright production, and let us improve the industries in Nagaland. Thank you to the government of Nagaland. Anyway, I'll end this video from here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.